Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to message someone on Buzzcast. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Buzzcast application. Make sure you're logging to your Buzzcast account. Now tap on the icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select following option. Now select the person that you'd like to send message. Tap on the chat button which is at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the message box and then enter a message. Once you're done, tap on the send button. And this is how you can message someone on Buzzcast. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.